Hello and welcome back everyone to another tutorial on Tableau. This series of videos will help you take your skills from beginner to expert level in Tableau. Do not forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so that you are the first one to know whenever I upload any new video. In today's session we will see how to show bottom n regions within each category using rank table calculation in Tableau. Let me first show you the demo of what we will be doing today. The requirement is that we need to show bottom n regions within each category based on the profit, which means we need to see which regions are generating less profit within each category. Here I have a parameter that allows user to select any value starting from 1 till 4. So using this parameter, you can change the bottom n regions that you are interested to see. Let me drag it to 2. Now the view gives us bottom 2 regions within each category that are giving us the least profit. So in office supplies category, central region is generating the lowest profit. Then the second lowest profit is generated by the South region. This is also one of the important Tableau interview question. So I suggest you to watch this video till the end. Now let's jump to Tableau and see how to achieve a view similar to this one. First drag category to the row shelf, then drag region to the row shelf next to category. To create a bar chart, let's drop profit to the column shelf. Sort the bar chart in ascending order of profit within each category. Turn on the labels by clicking on Show Marks Label button. Change the view to entire view. So here we have a bar chart that shows profit for each of the region in case of different categories. Now the requirement is that we need to see only the lowest two regions within each of the category. That means in case of furniture we need to see only the central and the east region. So central region is the region which is contributing to the lowest profit. Then the second lowest profit is generated in the east region. In case of each of the category, we need to keep only the lowest regions based on the profit. We will use rank table calculation here. So create a new calculated field. Click on the drop down, click on create calculated field. Let's name it rank profit. And here we will write down rank sum of profit. So this calculated field will give rank to the different regions based on the profit. Let's click on OK. Now drag this calculated field that we have created to the column shelf next to profit. Now Tableau has given rank starting from 1 to each region based on sum of profit. So here the region with the highest profit will be given rank 1, then second rank is given to the region with the second highest profit. Let me remove this category for a while. Now you will observe that the region with the highest profit is given rank 1, then the second highest region has been given rank 2, and so on. Let me add back category to the row shelf. Now we want the ranks to restart from 1 for each of the category. So click on the drop down, and from here compute using we will select pane down. Here you will observe that within the furniture category, the highest profit is generated by West region. So it is given rank 1, then South region is given rank 2, and so on. I have created a detailed video where you can see how to show top and subcategories within each category using rank function. You will find the link of that video in the top right corner, and I will also add the link of that video in the description below. The requirement is that we need to give rank 1 to the region with the lowest profit. Let me edit the calculated field that we have created. So by default, you will see that here you will see the default order is descending. So that's why the Tableau is giving rank 1 to the region with the highest profit, but we want to give rank 1 to the region with the lowest profit. So here we can give additional value within quotes, write down ASC for ascending, and by default it is descending. Now click on OK. So here you will observe that now the rank 1 is given to the region with the lowest profit, then rank 2 is given to the region with the second lowest profit, and within each category the rank is restarting from 1. As we are interested to see only the uh, bottom 2 regions in each of the category, so let's drag this to filters, and from here we will select a range of value starting from 1 till 2. Click on OK. uh, Now the view gives us the lowest 2 regions within each of the category. Lastly, if you want to give user freedom to select bottom n regions they are interested to see, for that we can make use of a parameter. So click on the drop down, click on create parameter. Let's name it bottom n, and the data type will be integer. Click on range, minimum value will be 1 and the maximum value that we want to give is 4. Click on OK. Now we can edit the calculated field that we have created, rank profit. Click on the drop down, click on edit. So here we can write down rank sum of profit ascending less than equal to bottom n parameter. What this calculation will do is, suppose from the bottom n parameter we select 3, then 3 value will be assigned to this bottom n parameter, and we will get all the ranks that are less than equal to 3, that is the region with the rank 1, 2 and 3. So bottom 3 regions will be visible in the view. Click on OK. Now remove this rank profit from the filters and again drag this rank profit calculated field. Click on true. Click on OK. Now let's show the parameter. Click on show parameter. Also we want to compute using pane down. Click on true. Now as you will observe that 1 is selected from the bottom n parameter, so we are getting the region with the lowest profit in case of each of the category. Let me select 3. Now the view gives us the bottom 3 regions with the lowest profit ranked in the ascending order. So central region is the region with the lowest profit, then second lowest profit is generated in the east region, and the third lowest profit is generated in the south region. In this way, we can give user freedom to select bottom and region within each of the category. Just make sure that compute using pane down is selected. So in this way, we can create a view to show bottom and regions within each category based on the profit using rank. So this was all that I had to cover in this session. I have added the link of this workbook in the description below. Thanks for watching this video. Do not forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like this session. See you in the next video.